Hi guys. We're just gonna wait for a few more people to join. Hi. Okay. Okay, hi guys. Today's live video is with makeup artist Jasmeet Kapani, and she's gonna teach us how to do a self makeup look for all the bridesmaids out there. But anybody can do this makeup look, it's not particularly for bridesmaid. So she's gonna teach me how to do this makeup look, and if you guys have any questions that you wanna ask, please feel free. Before we start, hi Muskan. Before we start, just to let you all know, I've already done my base makeup, that is foundation and concealer. I've also done my eyebrows, so we're just gonna get with the eyes and blush, lipstick, highlighter. Yup. No, I'm not married. How to deal with... Okay, Surbhi will answer your question as soon as Jasmeet joins us. So how are you all doing? How is your Saturday going? Okay. Can you guys see and hear me? If you guys can see and hear me, can you give me a thumbs up? Akshita, super fantastic. Okay, what are you all doing today? How many of you are cooking? How many of you are playing Ludo probably? Okay, great. You can hear and see me, okay. Okay, thank you guys. We're just gonna wait for Jasmeet. Hairstyle for round face. Planning for Mother's Day. Oh yeah, how many of you are planning for Mother's Day tomorrow? Tell me in the comments. Every day is the same day. That's true. You guys, we've actually put a post on our Instagram for Mother's Day. So you guys can check that out. It's pretty nice actually. You guys can do a few of those things for your mother, and I'm sure she'll feel very special. Yashita, I'm good, Yashita. How are you? Okay, Jasmeet is here. Yay. Let's go. Rekha, you can watch the previous live videos we uploaded on our YouTube channel. It's by the name Shadi Saga. Hi!
Hi, how are you?
How are you? Good, how are you?
Good.
You look so...
Well, so do you. Thank you. Is my connection okay? It's been a bit weird today.
Yeah, I can see and hear you clearly.
Yes, okay, good. How's everything? Quarantine been for you?
Your connection's going off a little bit.
Is it better now?
I can't hear you now. It's lagging.
Let me reconnect.
Can you rejoin? Yeah. Yes, guys. There's a little problem with connection, but she's joining back. Okay, Jasmeet is joining. Yeah.
Better?
Yes. Much better. Yay.
If there's a problem, just tell me. I'll have to keep reconnecting. I think, I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong with my connection today.
It's all right.
Yes, so we're doing a nice, quick, easy self makeup.
Yes.
Well, something that you'd wear to someone else's wedding.
Yes.
A lot of us struggle with that. So I think this is a good thing to kind of demonstrate. So you have your base on?
Yes. Okay, before we start, I'll turn off the comments while we're doing the makeup so it's clear.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Oh no, actually, it's
Actually,
okay. Let the comments
I'm
be
not
on
doing my
because
makeup.
yeah. Okay, let it be
So
on. Yeah,
yeah,
I've already done
I'm
my
just gonna,
base.
yeah, I'm not gonna demonstrate, guys, because I think I want you to see how easy it is for you to
Yeah.
do it on your own. If I do it, I don't think it's the same thing. I'll let Shruti do it so you guys can see.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so
So do
I've
you want to
already
tell
done
them
my
what you
base.
have? Yeah. Yeah.
I've done my foundation, concealer, and
Yeah.
powder, like you said, and my eyebrows as well.
Nice. You have such nice eyebrows.
Yeah, I didn't have to
Okay.
do much actually.
Yeah, they're great.
But
Tell me,
thank
are
you.
you using both those small lights? Are they on both
Yeah,
sides?
yeah, they are.
Because
Is the light not good?
no, just one side of your face is a bit brighter. Huh? Mm,
Is it better now?
it's okay. Let's get started, and then if I need you to adjust it a little bit, I'll let you know.
Okay. I'll shift this side if you want, like facing this side.
Yeah, can we try that?
Yeah. It's just a little bit of work. But 1 sec. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Is
Guys,
this
I will
side?
address your questions in a little bit. Please, thank
Is
you.
it better now?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
fine. Okay, so are you wearing anything on your eyelids? Do you have any makeup on your eyelids?
No, just concealer. I think I put a little bit.
Yeah, you did, right?
Yeah.
Just take a little bit more on.
Yeah.
Just because I want it to be visible, more visible than it is on camera. So right now,
Yeah.
the colors will be more visible.
Is that much okay?
It's a bit much, but it's okay. Just blend it out with your fingers.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have any loose powder? Compact powder or
No.
loose powder?
I have compact powder.
Yeah, so just take some on a brush or on a sponge or whatever and just go over your eyes, please. We don't want the concealer to be wet.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Can you hold up your... Do you feel like doing a more neutral look or should we do a bit of a colored look? What do you feel like?
A little bit of color.
You like color? Okay. Let me see your... let me see the palette then, the one that you have.
There's one is this from Huda Beauty.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Then there's the Makeup Revolution palette, which has all neutral colors.
I love this palette.
We
Okay,
can use,
I think we'll
we
use
can go
both.
for neutral also. I'm okay with anything.
But I think you've done that look, right, already. You've done something that's kind of everyday, no?
Yeah.
Okay, can you hold up the
And
other
I have
palette
those
again,
glitter.
please? Yes, loose glitter. We'll use that right at the end. Huh, okay. So do you have a fluffy brush, right? A blending brush?
Yes, I do.
The one on the left.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now the bottommost pink, that's a matte, right? The one on the right?
Yes.
This one, yeah. Is that a matte color? Okay. Can you take some on your brush? Just swirl your brush around in it.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Yes, just always dust off the excess. Yes, I'm sure you're a bit of a makeup pro by now, so you know these things. Okay, so now you know where to locate your crease, right? Guys, this is the crease.
Yes.
You all know that.
Right.
Yes, and also pro tip, guys, coming already. Always hold your brush from the back. The closer you hold it to the bristle, the more pressure you're going to be putting, and the more blotchy your makeup's going to look. Yeah. So start in the center and just do like an upside down U. A U. Yeah. Take more color. Can you guys see what she's doing? Is it visible? Do you want her to move? I can see that. That's really nice. Take some more and go a little higher towards your brow bone as well. Yeah. Shruti, hold the brush thoda piche se, please.
From here?
Yeah. Yeah. That's the right way to do it.
Should I do more or this is good?
Can you go slightly higher towards your brow bone, just a little bit?
Right here?
Yeah, not too much, but just where your crease is, just take it a little higher. Take the color a little higher. Guys, don't be afraid to use color. You can always blend out what you don't need. If you take too little, it won't be visible after a while. So it defeats the purpose. The light is too bright, they're saying. Do you,
I
are you,
covered it. Now is it better?
is that better for you guys? Tell me, is that, that laptop light, is that on? Shruti,
Yes.
please turn off the light on top. The top light.
It is. This one.
There's a shadow on you for some reason.
Okay, one sec. Now,
Guys, I think this is fine. We'll show you once everything is done in different light, I guess. Shruti, what is this bright yellow light that's on your face on this side? Which one is that?
that's the lamp.
That's the
You
lamp.
want
Can
me
you
to-
turn the lamp?
Yeah.
Can you push it further away from you? Is that possible?
Now is it better?
Yes, this is fine. This is fine. This
Yeah.
is okay, right, guys? Okay, do one thing. Take a brighter color. Shruti, go over that. They're saying they can't see the color.
Okay.
Yeah. You're holding the brush too close. Guys, this is a big mistake all of us make. And that's why
Sorry.
our color doesn't look blended. So hold the brush further away. Yeah, that's fine. That's good.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, is that okay? Okay, now can you hold the palette up again, please? So the color that you took, the one on top of that, is that a matte color or is that metallic?
That's matte.
Okay, nice. Do you have a pencil brush, Shruti? Do you have like a pointy brush?
Like
Or do you have a small brush? Can I see the
one
brushes that you
piece.
have? Yeah, just use the one in the center. Is that a lip brush? Is that synthetic? What is it?
No, it's not a lip brush.
Okay, no, this won't do. Can you... Okay, just take that dark color on this brush.
This one?
The small one, the small brush.
This one.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Now, with that, just right on the edge of the eye, you see this outer V of your eye?
Yeah. This
Press
part?
the color. Yeah. Yeah. Don't go too out. Just a little bit here. On the lid. Here.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't go too
Do I
high.
go here or
Yeah.
here?
No, under.
Here, right?
Inside. Yeah. On your eye. Take it slightly higher. Towards your crease. Merge it in with the pink. Yeah. Don't go all the way up, huh? Where the pink is.
Yeah. This is
Yeah.
fine.
This is fine. Do the same on the other eye. Yeah. Good. Do you have any cream color? Like a cream lipstick?
One second.
Cream eyeshadow. Like an eyeshadow stick.
Lipstick?
Or no, cream eyeshadow. I'm sorry. These comments are very distracting.
Cream eyeshadow. No, I don't have a cream eyeshadow.
Okay, doesn't matter. Can you show me your palette again? Then we'll just go straight in.
Yeah.
That color in the middle on top. Right on top. Upar. Yeah. Take
This?
that on your ring finger. Yes. Yeah. And now just starting from the bottom, go up.
Right here.
Yeah. In the middle. Don't go over the dark color, huh? Stay in the center. Take more color. Yeah. Guys, can you all see? Is that okay? Everything visible? Yeah. Do the same on the other side, please. Hi, Jasmine. Happy birthday.
Just did it on the centers.
Yeah. Can you just now, without taking any more color, can you just blend it out towards your nose just a little bit with your finger?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it. We just don't want it to end very abruptly. That's it. We will be putting a different color there, so we don't need to cover it fully. Bas. That's it. That's good. Can you hold up the other palette, please?
Yeah.
Can you, the one right at the bottom, the dark color, the one next to it, the one next to this?
This one.
Yeah. Just take that on a brush, please. On a clean brush.
A fluffy brush?
Do you have another small brush? Something, or just clean that one.
Is this good?
That's too big. Just clean the small one
The fluffy.
on some tissue. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll take this.
Yes, very little. Just one swipe. Yeah, bus. It's too much. Dust it off once. That's a lot of color. And place it. Can you see this shine here? This highlighter that I'm wearing?
Yes.
Start here and just go inwards a little bit. And merge it in with that dark color that you'd use, the purple color.
Okay.
Someone's asking which palette this is, Shruti.
This one?
The other one. This is the Huda palette, guys.
This is the Makeup Revolution palette.
What's it called? Does it have a name?
It's called Reloaded Neutrals.
Yeah? Okay.
Reloaded Neutrals. I'm not really getting this color on my brush.
No? Let me see. I don't want it to be muddy because, yeah, see,
Now
you can see it. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, can you see the pop that brings to the eyes? So also, just take some color on the tip of that brush and also go underneath here. Okay. Just on the inner third of your eye here. Yeah, that's it. Same on the other side.
Okay. Okay. That's how my eyes look right now.
Yeah, good job, Shruti. Okay. What eyeliner do you have? You know what? Actually, I'm going to show this look without an eyeliner because I don't want the color to be covered with black. Do you have an eyelash curler?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we'll come to that later. Let's do the bottom. Do you wear kajal usually inside your eyes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you put some on?
Yep. Let me just sharpen this 1 minute.
Okay. Guys, a quick way to disinfect your pencils is to just sharpen them. That's the best way to do it. Hi, Aisha. What is your question?
All right, done.
Put some more, no? Make it a bit thicker.
Like on the
Like
bottom line?
let it come outside till your lashes. I don't do makeup videos on YouTube yet. I'll try to put all of these there. For people who don't put kajal, guys, just skip the kajal. If your eyes are too small, or if you just don't like the whole kajal look in general, skip the kajal. I'm just doing this so it has more of an impact. But you can follow all the other steps. You can also use a brown kajal if you want, or you can use a nude to make your eyes look bigger. Okay. Now, Shruti, the same dark color that you'd used, the matte one, can you take that on the small brush again, please?
Yes. The matte dark color, this one, right?
The dark color, yes. Yes. Guys, I haven't blocked anyone. Samarth, I haven't blocked you. I'm sorry. Maybe you're having some issues reconnecting or something. Please tell him.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Now, very close to your lashes, your lower lashes, hold the brush there, and without picking it up again and again, Shruti, just once you touch it, just keep moving it. Don't lift the brush once it's touched your skin. So you're basically trying to smudge the edge of that color. Huh? And as you go closer to your inner corner, go all the way, but don't keep it as thick as the outer corner is.
Yeah.
Yeah. And guys, for a lot of you, you'll have to adjust this step depending on your eye shape. For some of you, it may look really nice, thicker here. For some of you, it may not look nice at all. So please just try and see what works for you. That's the easiest way to do it.
Okay. Done.
Yeah. Okay. Now, can you curl your lashes, please?
Yes.
For big eyes, what for big eyes, please? What's the question? Shruti, so you pump it a few times and then keep it pressed. Count to 10 and keep it pressed. Yeah. What to do for big eyes? For big eyes, you can wear kajal. Of course, you can wear kajal.
Okay, done.
Okay, now I'm gonna, guys, this is a mascara tip. Put one coat on of your Benefit mascara. Good under eye cream is the Kiehl's one, the avocado cream. Yeah. So hold your mascara at the base, hold it there and wiggle it up. Yeah. You can already see your lashes. Yeah. Do the same on the other eye. Take more product. Cream contour. MAC have these sticks. This is an Anastasia one. These should also be available here. MAC have one. Nykaa have one. These sticks. They're so easy to use because you can just draw on like this if it's for self-use. Ooh.
Okay. Is there some connection? I think there's some connection problem, guys. Jasmeet, if you can hear me, I think you should rejoin. Can you guys see Jasmeet? Okay, she's joining back. Yep, Jasmeet is joining back, guys. She's going to reconnect. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see my makeup? Is it clear for you guys now with the lighting? Guys, Jasmeet is joining back. She's facing a little bit of network issues, but don't go anywhere. Can you guys? Okay, thanks, Shefali. That's so sweet of you. Okay. Thank you, Bani. Jasmeet is joining back, guys. Keep your questions coming. She's just facing a little bit of network issues, so don't worry. Yes, Ridhima, the live will be saved for 24 hours on our story, and you can also check it out on our YouTube channel called Shadi Saga. Okay, Jasmeet is here. Jasmeet is joined back, guys. Hi. I still can't see you. Your video is not clear. No, it's you're very out of focus. I can't hear you at all. I think no. Okay,
Better?
now I can. Yes, now I can.
Sorry, I'm so sorry, guys. Yes, okay. So mascara. Now, can you take your other mascara once?
No,
The
wait,
Maybelline
your
one?
video is lagging. Your video is lagging a little bit. Uh, can you say
Still?
something now?
Still lagging?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm connecting again. I'll just connect again.
Yeah. A lot of network issues these days, guys. But it's okay. Don't go anywhere. Just me is joining back. My eyebrows are too thick. Well, I'm born with such eyebrows. Can't do anything. Hi, Simran. Guys, Simran Tucker is here. Jasmeet is joining back, guys. She's just facing a little bit of network issues. Please don't go anywhere. We still haven't completed this look yet. Thank you, Shefali. Okay, Jasmeet is back. Which brush we need to use make thick eyebrows? Hi.
Hi. Is
Now
it
it's
okay
better.
now? Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay. Can
Okay.
you this actually went off at a very bad time. I needed your mascara to be a little wet. Doesn't matter. Just take the other one. The other one that you have. Yeah.
Maybelline.
Okay, guys, just to give you a recap, she'd curled her lashes and she'd done one layer of mascara. My favorite thing to do is put on one layer of one mascara, and while
Should I
that's
go ahead?
while that's drying up, put on another layer of a different mascara. But we lost some time, so her first layer's dried up already. But that's okay. Just go in with a few coats of this. Yeah, just keep wiggling it as you bring it up. Which brush for thick eyebrows? Guys, just use a spoolie like this. You know, one of these. And brush your eyebrows up. And then fill them in.
I'm just
Let me
using
see your lashes. Nice. You're using a what?
using a clear mascara just to like even it out. Like
The
separate
brows,
it.
right?
Yeah.
What,
No.
the
The
lashes?
eyelash.
No, don't do that.
No?
No.
Okay. This is fine.
Take more black mascara if you want. Go back with the first one, the Benefit one. Guys, can you ask your questions now, please? There's too many comments at the top. My favorite Charlotte Tilbury products are right here. The Film Star Bronze and Glow. It's a bronzer palette with highlighter. This is really good. I use their foundations. Those are really good. Their compact powder and their concealer. These are my favorites.
Okay. Done.
Next. Okay. What eyeliner do you have? Can I see it?
I have the Soft and Gentle by MAC.
No, eyeliner.
Eyeliner. Sorry.
Yeah.
I just have this.
Okay. Can you put it really thin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just do that, please. Very thin, as close to your lash line as possible. Good loose powder. Chanel do a good one. Inglot do great powders. I use the Laura Mercier one on myself, but that's not available here. Yeah. Nupur 2822. If you're using nude pencil for small eyes, do we need to follow the steps of putting dark eyeshadow underneath? Yes. That will actually open up your eyes even more.
Is this okay?
Yes. Now with your small brush, again, can you take the dark color on the small brush, just on the tip?
Yeah.
And tap off the extra. And just at the edge of your liner, can you smudge it?
But this is liquid.
Doesn't matter. Just smudge the edge, the top edge. You just want to smoke out the liner a little bit. Very slightly. You broke your compact. How to fix it? You get rubbing alcohol.
Okay.
One sec. Can you smudge it a bit more so that the darker color is visible? Do you have a black?
Black color?
Yeah.
I have a shade closer to black. This one.
Just take some of that and rub it. Smudge it. Fenty contour sticks, Aditi Ved. Fenty contour sticks are nice. They're just a bit too dry for my liking. I have to spend too much time blending them out. I do have them and I love Fenty. I have a lot of their products. But their cream sticks are not something that I'm very fond of. For hooded eyes, a daily eyeshadow look, use matte colors, please, like a nice matte brown. Sorry, you might have to go in with your concealer again, Shruti? For hooded eyes, don't use any shimmer here, obviously. Take a nice brown and go over. Just browns look really nice. You can't go wrong with a nice brown. It doesn't have to be very dark brown for the day. It can be a nice medium tone brown, orangey brown. But just a nice matte blended eyeshadow. Affordable contour, Nykaa, very affordable. I have small eyes. How to apply kajal? If you like kajal, that's good, Shruti. Put it inside, make it a bit thicker, smudge it. Don't just make one thick line. Make sure it's always smudged. And also try to use it just on the outside. Don't bring it all the way to the inside. That closes up your eyes. Go to eyeshadow palette. The Huda palette, guys, it's available here. All of their palettes are really nice. They have all the colors that you need. Just take some concealer, Shruti. Which face oil to use with foundation? Any face oil, they all work.
Should I dust this off first?
Dust it off and then just take some concealer and dab it. Devanshi, what is your question? Can you ask your question again, please? I'm sorry, I can't. How can we ensure concealer stays for long? Set it with loose powder. Always set your wet makeup with loose powder. Affordable corrector, LA Girl, Nykaa have a palette. These are affordable. Winged eyeliner, should we do for hooded eyes? I don't love doing a winged an eyeliner at all actually for hooded. I just like doing a very thin line. But you should try it. I don't usually do it for people with hooded eyes, but you can try it if it works for you. Try a small wing, not a very big one.
I actually forgot to put liner on this eye.
Oh, you did? You just smudged it
No, I
without the
did.
liner.
Yeah.
You didn't.
I completely
Put it
forgot
now. It's fine.
to do it.
Yeah. Some tip for big eyes liner. I have big eyes. I just wear a nice thick liner. I don't play with the thickness of it. I just draw one straight line, and that seems to work for me.
Do
Setting
you
powder
like
and
winging your eyeliner?
it depends on my mood. I'm not every day, but like maybe a little wing. Maybe I'll stretch this out like this much, but that's it. Not more than that. I'm not a huge fan unless I'm doing like a nice bright lipstick. Setting powder and compact powder are not the same. Setting powder is loose powder like this. It's literally powder like this. Compact powder is foundation. It has more color. Compact powders are like this. Under eye cream, avocado cream from Kiehl's is my favorite. Good eyeliner. Guys, eyeliners are literally all the same if you can apply them properly. Which one are you using, Shruti? What brand are you using?
I use the old Lakme.
Lakme, right? And see, it works so well. Like, how can you tell? So brands, guys,
are waterproof and it stays all day.
Kajal, mascara, eyeliner, they're all the same, just as long as you use them properly. They're all the same. But L'Oreal make a good one. That's the one I'm using. Yeah. Extremely dry skin becomes flaky after makeup. You can use face oils. You should actually get a special moisturizer. You should go to a dermatologist, get a moisturizer that will make the texture of your skin better in general.
Eyes.
One sec. Shefali, can you ask your question again, please? Yes. Okay, Shruti, let me have a look again. Can you, on this eye, the one you just did, can you take some more, product, the dark color on the inner corner and blend that up a little bit?
Here?
No, inside, inner corner.
Here.
Towards the nose, yeah. Home remedy for under eye fine lines? No, I'm sorry. No idea. You have a black line at your lip corner. So do I. And it's very recent. I don't know what to do about it. Dermatologist, guys, any skin related questions, please consult a specialist. Post putting the setting powder, still have crease lines under my eyes. You're not putting enough powder or you're using too much concealer. Too much concealer.
Now is it better?
Yes, much better. Yes, guys, this video will be saved on the Shadi Saga stories for 24 hours.
All right.
Yes. Okay. Now just because can you take the first color that we'd use, the crease color, Can you take it on the brush and
Yeah.
just go under here? Right under the dark color that you've used here. Yeah. Not too close to the lashes, huh?
Is that okay?
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite light. I can't really... Do you have a darker color? Do you have like a nice purple?
It's a
To
dark
match
purple.
Can I see it? Is it matte? Yeah, use this. Actually, no. No. It'll be too dark.
No.
No.
Okay.
Do you have anything a bit brighter than that?
I'll just put a lot of this.
Yeah, okay. Product to address dark circles. Dark circles you can only cover with one thing, that's an orange corrector. There's nothing else makeup can do for dark circles. No other makeup product that can help. Yeah. The lip balm brand I use, Kanika, is it's called Lucas Pawpaw. It's from Australia. You don't get it anywhere else. You might, I think Singapore has some, but that's it. Maybe London. I heard someone can order it. You can order it online in London, but not here. Okay, guys, I'm going to come back to your question in a little bit. We'll just complete the look quickly first. Let me see, Shruti. Okay. Just, can you just take some of the dark color and just smudge out here at the end? Just to make your eyes look a little bigger. Guys, if you want your eyes to look a little bigger, this is a quick tip. Take some dark color and smudge it out here. Yeah, at the edge. Bring it down also a little bit. Yeah. Same on the other side, please. Matching to dress or smoky or golden. What color is your dress, Shefali? What color is your dress? Please tell me. I'm waiting.
Okay.
That's good. Yeah. Okay, now guys, typically for this, to complete this, I would put on false lashes. Shruti, you should really get false lashes. They look so good with you for your eye shape. 1 second. Let me just answer Shefali's question. Blue. Shefali, I don't do very colorful makeup in general. So I usually stay away from blues, but you can. Instead of a gold, I would do maybe more bronzy, brown, bronzy, shimmery look. I'm not very good with blues and greens, but if you are, then why not? You can do grayish blue. Grayish blue. You can do a grayish blue. If it's more gray, it's fine. I like gray. Shefali, why don't you send me a picture on my DM, huh? We'll talk there. Okay, yes. Now can I see your blush, please?
Okay, I have lots of blush.
Show me. Do you have a nice pink one?
I have a nice pink one from MAC.
Okay, so just take that. What else do you have? What other pink one do you have? No, that's peach. Huh? Take the pink one. Pink.
There's even this pink.
This looks more. No, the first one's fine. First one.
Okay. And there's a. It's kind of broken, so don't mind. But like, it's a mix.
No, let's take the pink one. I like the pink one.
Okay. Take it on my brush.
Yes. Yeah. Dust it off. Bas. That's too much. Yeah. Now put your blush on. How do you put it usually?
Like this.
Yeah. Yeah. Guys, with your blush, please remember not to go too low. This is just my skin. It's a rash, so it's red all over. But when you're doing your blush, make sure it's not too low. That ages you. Keep it high. Higher blush will make you look younger always. Yeah. Guys, all these looks related to your eye shape and all, please, I'm doing classes. Please sign up and learn everything for your own face and your eye shape. It'll be a lot easier. I'll demonstrate everything.
Okay.
Nice. Did you put some on your nose?
Yeah.
You did. Okay, good.
Shouldn't?
No, you should. I was reading the comments.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bas, huh. Guys, when you're doing your blush, just whatever's on the brush, just dab some on your nose. It gives a nice, like a very nice, fresh kind of a look. Okay. Highlighter. What did you have? Soft and Gentle from MAC, right?
I have Soft and Gentle, and I have the Wet and Wild.
Is this gold?
More like this one's
More.
champagne color.
Yeah. Okay. Just take this on your brush.
Poppy.
Yeah. Okay. Use this then. Which brush do you have?
I have a fan brush also, and I have this also.
Take the fan brush, please.
I have a fan. Okay, I need to get it because I forgot it there. Just give me 1 second. I'll be back.
Huh. Okay. Good cream contour stick, guys. MAC, Anastasia. This is the one I use, Anastasia. Nykaa also do really good ones. Yes. Okay. So just take some of your highlighter on the side. Bas. Yeah. Tap off the excess. Now just okay. I don't have my fan brush here either, but just okay. Guys, where we go very wrong with highlighter is that we put it on a very large area. And when you go into weird kind of lights, which is mostly the case in all of these, covered events, there's weird lights everywhere. Your whole face, it looks really shiny and it can look like oil. So make sure to place your highlighter only on the right points. So Shruti, just take your brush and back and forth. Just go here, right on the top. Yeah. Just go back and forth a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. That is all you need. Do it on the other side as well. Yeah.
On the nose?
Don't go all the way. I usually like to just do the tip. Tip and here. Do you have a smaller brush for that? Guys, I know a lot of you don't have too many brushes, but yeah, use your fingers if you don't have a small brush. Because if you go in with a big brush, you'll get stuff all over your nose. Yeah, and just take some on your finger, just on your cupid's bow. Yeah, and some on your chin, just a little bit. Yeah, bas, not too much.
Okay.
And also you can just, whatever's left right at the end, your forehead is also a good place to kind of, yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Can you also take your highlighter and put some here in the inner corner, like I have? I really like to make the eyes pop, guys. Yes. This is my favorite thing to do. Guys, even if you're at work, you're at a Zoom meeting, you're going out for lunch, just do this to your eyes and you'll see the difference that it makes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, now lipstick.
Yes.
Laura Mercier powder, 3 years old. Yes, you can use it. Powders don't go bad. Shruti, you have really nice big lips. Don't use a lip liner. You don't need a lip liner. Is that more peach or is it pink?
It's pinkish.
Okay, put it on.
I'll put the nude lipstick first. This one.
Put it on, then we can mix and get the right color. Guys, always mix your lipsticks. Please don't go out and buy 1,000. You can always mix and create colors. You'll be surprised. Just try it. You have the time right now. Thank you, Devanshi. Which one is better, liquid highlighter or powder? I like powder products, so I use powder. Yeah, I prefer powder personally.
Is this too peachy?
No, it's perfect. At least on camera, it looks very nice and nude and peachy. Okay, guys, any questions regarding this look? I think she's done a very good job. Look at her eyes. Yeah. I just wish my connection hadn't gone off when you were doing your mascara. The results would have been better. Because you know, when the first layer of mascara is still a little tacky, it's not very dry.
Wet.
You put the
Right.
second layer on top of that, your lashes just become twice the size somehow, magically.
Also, curling your lashes really helps.
It does. It does. This video is saved, guys. It'll be on their story for 24 hours. Okay. Questions, guys, please. I think
Yes.
we need to wrap up.
Send in your questions.
Yeah.
Which purple shade she used?
Please.
I used the purple shade from this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette.
What's it called? Does it have a name?
Some obsession. Amethyst obsession?
Yeah, Amethyst Obsession. Okay.
Amethyst.
Which concealer is best for oily skin, guys? Concealers are all good. Get the NARS one, get the Chanel one. Chanel, guys, for all of you have heard of this concealer, the NARS Creamy Concealer.
Nice.
The Chanel one, which is available in India, it looks the same, the packaging is the same, and trust me, it's the same product. The consistency, the colors, everything is the same. So just get the Chanel concealer.
Himani, what was your question?
Yes,
Can you
guys,
suggest-
please ask your questions again and again. Don't say answer my question because it takes time to find it, please. How come I'm glowing so much? Shagun, I am just, it's the ring light. How can you enroll for my classes? Please send me a DM. I'll send you all the details. Best foundation for skin with open pores. Guys, for open pores, you need to use a primer. There's no other way to kind of cover your open pores. Get a good pore minimizing primer and put your foundation on top of that very gently. If you rub too much, it'll take the primer away and your pores will appear open again. So you have to be, you can use a beauty blender because it pushes the makeup in, right? It's not dragging it. Good loose powder, Laura Mercier Inglot. Best highlighter to invest
what
in.
What is better for a round face, bronzer or the liquid contour?
Guys, I am here to make your life easy. Powder products are easier to use, trust me. So I would suggest a powder contour. If you're okay with liquids, if you're used to it, your hand is set, then please use a liquid as well. But you always have to set a liquid with powder. So that's twice the work then.
Himani is asking, which concealer should we use if we use a natural buff shade?
Which concealer? Like which color? I can't tell you your color.
Which concealer should we use if we use a natural buff shade?
I'm trying to find that question.
It's a little up. You'll have to scroll.
What shade? Buff shade.
Buff. Yeah.
BUFF.
Yeah. I don't know what a buff shade is.
I don't either. Please explain what's a buff shade. Best highlighter to invest in high end. High end would be Tom Ford. It is by far the best highlighter I've used in my life. If that's not available, get the Dior palette. I love this palette.
So also we get a lot of questions that sometimes that foundation turns gray.
Yes. So
why
that happens. A lot of foundations oxidize, guys. If you have oily skin, especially, that's very common. It happens with 90% of people with oily skin. Their foundation turns a darker color. So your foundation, it oxidizes because it mixes with the oils in your skin. So you need to find an oil-free foundation, firstly. It has to be strictly for oily skin. And all of you know that I don't like going too white when it comes to makeup. But if you're super oily, you get very oxidized. Get a foundation that's one shade lighter. It will oxidize, but at least when it oxidizes, it'll look like your own shade. It won't look too dark. But oil-free foundation.
What is the difference between contour and bronzer?
Contour is to cut your face, push it in the areas that you want to fix, or fix in a sense. Bronzer is just to add a nice glow to your face, like a nice sun-kissed, warm glow without... A lot of people don't like pink cheeks or peach cheeks, so they can just use bronzer to add some sort of warmth to the face.
Right. Everyday makeup tutorial on drugstore products. Okay, Jasmeet. Maybe you should do that.
I have actually done one for Nykaa. It's on my highlights, guys. If you go to my page, it's on the highlights. Just scroll back. The Nykaa tutorial is there. I'm doing one more for K Beauty, which will be up soon. And a few more. Guys, just subscribe to my page and you'll see.
All right, we'll take
You're
a last question. It's by Kanika. What is the difference between baking powder and a setting powder?
It's the same thing, Kanika. Baking is not, it's just, it looks cool. It doesn't do anything. Don't bake. Yeah. Guys, any more questions, just DM them to me, please. And if you have questions specific to your eye shape, face shape, please sign up for the classes. They are not expensive at all, I promise. And I'll answer all your questions. I will demonstrate. I'll show you everything you need to know. So,
all right.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Fab. I've never done colored eyes, so this is great.
It looks really good on you.
This again.
Yeah, it looks very nice. And thank you so much for having me, Shruti. This was great. I'll see you soon. Happy quarantine,
stay
guys.
Safe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
All right, guys. So that was for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is how it looks. If you guys have any more questions, you can obviously DM Jasmeet regarding it. I hope your Saturday is going well. I hope you guys are enjoying these live sessions. We're having live sessions every single day. So stay tuned. We always update what live session we're having on our Instagram stories as well as our post. Also, this live video will be saved for 24 hours, so you can always go back and check it out. In case it goes off from our stories, we also have a YouTube channel where we're uploading these live videos every day. So you guys can head to our YouTube channel, which is called Shadi Saga, and watch all these videos there. Rancy, you can DM us your question and we shall answer it. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. See you guys soon. Bye bye.